Ito ako nag-blue. May pimples ako dito, guys. Hello amigos, this is Mo. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be doing the unboxing again, guys. Yes. Well, this is very excited because this product is kind of the next version of Alexa, which is the Echo Dot that we have before. Ngayon, meron tayong Apple HomePod Mini. Kukunin ko na muna siya. Wait lang. Pinaghandaan ko tong background na to. Tsaka yung ano natin dito. So, we have this box. I am very happy that may nakita akong isang seller na from US talaga siyang kumukuha ng product niya. I ordered this item back May 2021. Ngayon is July 4th. So, sabi ko, padala mo na sir kasi baka matatagalan yung ibang pina-order ko. So, guys, please do check his account. Ayan guys, dito. Nasa Shopee siya. I will going to put the link down below. So, I ordered a bunch. Sa lang muna yung i-unbox natin. So, let's do the unboxing, guys. Yeah. So, here's the box. Yan. So, double-coated yung ano. Saka naka-fragile siya, guys. Let's do the unbox with another box. Oh my gosh, meron siyang ano, there's an invoice, guys. Napakagaling, guys. It's because meron siyang invoice. Legit seller talaga siya. So, all the Amazon thing that you can buy inside Amazon store, meron din sila. So, okay. So, this is the box. So, inside the box, we're going to pull out the what's inside. So, first thing, yay! Here's the inside the box, guys. It's the casing ng AirTags. Unfortunately, walang AirTags na kasama dito. It's because pina-customize ko pa siya. So, customize yung binili ko. So, next will be, this is the one that I am waiting for. This is the one I am waiting for. This is the mini. Focus muna tayo sa face ko, guys. Ayan, this is the mini. I'm so very excited. So, let's do the unboxing na, guys. Okay, let's read the description. So, HomePod Mini. The HomePod Mini series helps you get things done from anywhere in the room. Enjoy amazing sound, the Apple design audio, experience multi-room, all... Wala siyang parang flip, just this one. Dito siya makukuha, guys. So, I don't want to destroy the box. So, let's open na talaga. This is sinisimutan talaga. Kasi mahilig ako mag-smell, guys. I do smelling thing. It's amazing. So, yung laman natin is wala na. Ito lang. Walang laman dito. So, here's the HomePod Mini from Apple, including yung wire niya. Then, nakaangat na talaga. Look at the plastic yung nandito. Yung parang nasa iPhone 4. Hindi ko masabi if ano to. Parang ano siya? Fabric. Fabric na ba? So, you need to pull this one, guys. So, cool. Huwag natin ipo-pull. I-break natin ulit kasi baka magaskasan. I-ayos natin. So, inside is meron siyang parang pull. Wala naman. Oh my god. Inside is this one, guys. The brochure and the instructions again. Oh, meron siyang sticker. And inside, here's a sticker. Yan. Then, here's the HomePod. Here's the instruction how to connect your HomePod, the phone mo. Yan. So, next. This is the last one, guys. It's the adapter. Oh my god, I love the adapter. So, here is it. And then, so cool. Here's the control. Use the top, make it drop like a Use the tap of HomePod Mini to control your music with touch. One tap is play or pause. Two taps or double taps is next track. Triple tap is a previous track. And then touch and hold. And then si Siri lalabas dito. And then tap or hold the volume up. And tap or hold minus volume down. And then here's the Siri. The most natural way to interact with the HomePod Mini is with your voice. Say things like, "Hey, DJ for me," or "Hey, what this week forecast in Cupertino," and "Hey, set a 45-minute lasagna timer," or "Hey, find my iPhone." Actually, there's a lot, guys. There's a lot more. If you have the Apple gadgets like your Apple Watch, your Apple MacBook, and also my iPhone. And then here's connect to Wi-Fi and turn on Bluetooth in your iPhone or iPad with the latest software. Number 2, hold your device near HomePod Mini, then complete the on-screen setup. And then all done. To get started, simply say "Hey," followed by your request. Oh my god, so very excited. So, medyo mahirap siya kasi ito yung ano niya. Saan ko ito yung sasaksak? UK ba to? Pwede naman siya. Kailangan talaga ng universal na saksakan. So, nothing to worry, guys. So, here it is, guys. Let's open. I'm so very excited. Mabilis siya madumihan. So, be careful, guys. If you want to have the white one, wiring coated niya din is cotton din siya. Let's connect our Apple HomePod Mini doon sa saksakan. Let's connect. Neck. Yan. Kasi ano siya eh. Oh. So, let's connect natin siya. Let's see what happened here. Oh, diba? Heart ni Iron Man, guys. Dito siya. Dito pala. Ten! God, anong nangyayari tapos? Ang galing. Diba ang cute? I like it. So, here's my phone. Oh my gosh, guys, connecting. So let's set up. This will be the living room. Living room siya. HomePod can recognize your voice. Siri can recognize your voice and allow you to use your HomePod in this home to play your music, ask your question, or access personal information when your device are nearby. Personal request. Use Siri and HomePod to access your messages, reminders, calendar, events, and more when this iPhone is nearby and your voice is recognized. Center the HomePod in the frame. So this is it, guys. I'm going to center my HomePod sa frame. Oh my god. Nagsiset up na siya, guys. New HomePod to join Wi-Fi natin.
Now from the top, make it drop. That's some wet. Now get a bucket and a mop.
Tagal naman, Lods.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri." Let's get started. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I'm here to help. Get to know Siri at apple.com.
Okay, guys, I think we're done setting up our HomePod Mini. Hey Siri, can you play music?
There's nothing in your music library.
I know. Hey Siri, can you set an alarm at 5 p.m.?
Your alarm is set for 5 p.m.
Hey Siri, set volume to 100%.
That's very loud. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, I changed it.
Oh, diba? Okay, guys, this is the HomePod Mini of Apple. This was released 2020. This is the HomePod Mini 2020. So, binili ko siya because I want to have this one. Literally, I'm a Apple avid fan. you know. It's only 5,544 pesos yung binili ko with the Hong Kong plug. Yung kanina, Hong Kong plug siya. And I'll going to check with you guys on next month or the couple of months if kamusta siya, if nakakatulong ba siya sa work ko. And then going to connect this to my other gadgets like our air condition, our lights, and all. Since wala pa tayong budget para bumili doon. So ito lang muna for the unboxing. And guys, thank you very much guys for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter account. And see you on my next vlog. Adios mi amigos.
Got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. With that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.